Hey cleaning family, it's Carolyn Arolano, your cleaning business mentor, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's vlog, I am going to take you guys with me from New York City to Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm going to Las Vegas for the ISSA trade show as well as the BSCAI trade show, where I was actually asked to host a roundtable for social media management. Now, I believe this is like my third ISSA/BSCAI trade show that I have attended in Las Vegas, Nevada. So if you guys are interested, follow me as I attend the trade show and meet up with a bunch of my friends and mentors. Hey cleaning family. So I finally figured out how to pair this little microphone with my new Osmo that I'm using to do this vlog. So I'll finally be able to do some actual speaking. Now, today is the second day that I'm in Vegas. Yesterday, I kind of just relaxed, got some sleep. That was much needed, and got some lunch by myself. And again, just really enjoyed this beautiful hotel room and the bathtub and all of the things. And I am actually now about to head out. I just wanted to show you guys my view from the room. So I'm going to head out. I'm actually going to go hit up Planet 13, which is a dispensary here in Vegas. So yeah, I'm going to go hit up Planet 13 by myself. And then after that, I'm actually going to go meet up with some of my friends. So I'm going to be meeting up with my friend Tony from Impact Cleaning. I'm going to be meeting up with Daniel and Luke from the Commercial Cleaning Blueprint. And of course, on this first day, I've got this huge zit on my forehead. So hopefully my day gets better and it goes away. But yeah, guys, I am heading out, and then I'm going to head over to Planet 13, Mandalay Bay, and then see what the vibe is for the rest of the day. But I have an amazing group of friends that I'm going to meet up with, and I will definitely be vlogging it. Tomorrow, we have the actual trade show. So I'm going to be at the BSCAI roundtable doing a roundtable. And then after that, I'm going to be at booth number 833 with my friends Daniel and Luke from the Commercial Cleaning Blueprint. So tomorrow is going to be all work. Today is kind of just like relaxing, going to get lunch, meeting with my friends. And yeah, that's it. Talk to you guys later. So here I am in the Planet 13 drop-off service. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of the cannabis. So anytime I land in a new city, I always hit up the nearest dispensary. This place was really cool, you guys. Never in a million years did I imagine that as a kid, like this is what I would be doing as an adult. All right. So I love being an adult. I love having free will. And I love that places like this exist. So I had a ball here. I did some shopping, and now we're off to the ISSA trade show to check in. Say hi, Tony.
Yo.
It's Taylor.
Go
All right, now that lunch is over, we are headed to the Coyote Ugly Bar, and I'm hanging out with my friends Daniel and Luke from the Commercial Cleaning Blueprint. If you guys don't know who they are, definitely go into YouTube and type in the Commercial Cleaning Blueprint. You guys have probably seen them online before if you're in the commercial cleaning industry. And yeah, we have Taylor, we have Daniel, we have Luke, and of course Tony. And here we're just enjoying the show. I like this a lot. This is giving like New York. I like that.
17 beds. I used to get mad at myself, but I'm like,
I've only had a spoon and a knife.
Hey, cleaning family. So we are at the BSCAI roundtable networking event. It's November the 19th, Tuesday at 10:30 a.m. And we are here. I'm actually facilitating a table for social media marketing for your brand positioning, which is really cool. So pretty much people are going to be able to come to my table and I get to help them with any of their questions for social media. So I think it's really awesome that the BSCAI asked me to come be here, because that means that they're noticing me, which is amazing, you know? So I just wanted to show you guys around. So we do have some different tables that are set up with different topics. So right there we have developing your team training, customer retention. And we have so many different topics, succession planning. So ideally, or what's going to happen actually, is that they have one facilitator per table, and I believe everybody else gets to move around and ask questions to the facilitator, which is pretty cool. So again, you guys, this is the BSCAI networking conference roundtables that I was asked to be a part of and facilitate. I want to say a huge thank you to the BSCAI for inviting me and considering me to facilitate this table. I'm also going to be sure to put a link for the BSCAI if you guys are interested to sign up, as well as the ISSA. Say hi, Daniel. Luke. Hey guys. Hey guys, it's Carolyn Arellano and Matt from Your Commercial Cleaning CEO here.
Hey guys.
I found my fellow YouTuber, and we are at the ISSA Trade Show 2024. We were just talking about how much we love to help the cleaning community. You guys, please be sure to give him a follow. He has a brand new YouTube channel that is doing amazing, and he is actually helping those in the industry learn a lot more about commercial cleaning. So do you want to give us just a quick intro for those of those people on my channel that have never met you before? Give us a little bit of background about, your industry experience and how you can help the community.
Sure. Well, what a lot of people don't know is that commercial is a totally different ballgame than residential. I have experience in both fields, but when it came to commercial, a story I haven't quite shared on the channel yet is we went from zero to over $500,000 a year in less than 12 months. And we are way beyond into the 7 figures now. So all that we do on our channel, at least on the Commercial Cleaning CEO channel, is show you exactly how to do that for yourself. How do you start, launch, and scale a large commercial cleaning business that can change your life? So I've always appreciated what Carolyn's been doing on her channel. Definitely, she has all kinds of website stuff she continues to do that I have no idea how to do, right? But I appreciate this opportunity to talk to your subscribers and to get to meet you guys.
Listen, I appreciate it. You guys, make sure to go give him a follow on his YouTube. Again, he has a lot of information on there if you want to learn more about how to grow and scale your commercial cleaning business, and you will see future collabs with us, so stay tuned. Hello, YouTube family. I am with my good friend, Miss Karen Denton.
Hey, how y'all doing?
She is from Pittsburgh,
Pennsylvania.
Yes, ma'am. And she is one of my very good friends in the cleaning industry. We actually met at different networking events, and she's just awesome. And today is my final night here at the ISSA in Vegas, and Miss Karen invited me along with some of her awesome friends who we're going to take pictures of, and we're going to a really cool speakeasy. So it's going to be really nice. We're going to do some video, and you guys got to make sure you follow Karen on all social media platforms. She's also in the cleaning space and the coaching space. She does her own seminars and gets together. So if you guys are in the Pittsburgh area, make sure you reach out to her. She's always looking to mentor new people and coach new people in the cleaning industry. And she's the real deal, you guys. So I'm going to make sure to put all of her social media. Go follow her on Facebook. And again, if you guys are in the Pittsburgh area, make sure you connect with her. She's amazing, and she does workshops in person, you guys. Bye. Wow. Aspire. Well, you guys, thank you so much for being on this trip with me to the ISSA trade show in Las Vegas, Nevada, 2025. It's time to head back to New York, you guys. I am in Staten Island. Home sweet home. See you guys next time.